Hi friends! Today we will learn more about adjective phrases. So let's start. We have already learned that adjectives are the words that modify or add some extra information to a noun. For example, Mia's dress is beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. Jack is taller than Kathy. Taller is an adjective. Emma is an adorable girl. Adorable is an adjective. This is the prettiest necklace amongst other ornaments. Prettiest is an adjective. Now let's learn what is an adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words in which the head word is an adjective. It modifies the noun or the pronoun. It is placed before or after. When an adjective phrase is placed after the noun or pronoun it modifies, it is known as a predicative adjective phrase. For example, Joseph is a shy, thin boy. In this sentence, the phrase shy, thin is an adjective phrase as it modifies the noun Joseph. And it appears after the noun it has modified, so it will be a predicative adjective phrase. Kids, the next example is Rihanna is beautiful, tall lady. In this sentence, the phrase beautiful, tall is an adjective phrase as it modifies the noun Rihanna. And it appears after the noun it has modified, so it will be a predicative adjective phrase. On the other hand, when an adjective phrase is placed before the noun or pronoun, it modifies, it is known as an attribute adjective phrase. A weak old man was crossing the road. Here, the phrase weak, old is an adjective phrase as it modifies the noun man, and it appears before the noun it has modified. So, it is called an attributive adjective phrase. The large antique ship is on the seashore. In this sentence, the phrase large antique is an adjective phrase as it modifies the noun ship, and it appears before the noun it has modified. So, it is called an attributive adjective phrase. An adjective phrase may consist of an intensifier and an adjective. An intensifier is a word that adds further degree or intensity to an adjective. A very beautiful woman walked down the road. In this sentence, very beautiful is an adjective phrase. It consists of very as an intensifier and beautiful as an adjective, and this phrase modifies the noun woman. The weather is too hot. In this sentence, too hot is an adjective phrase. It consists of too as an intensifier and hot as an adjective, and this phrase modifies the noun weather. Kids, the adjective phrase may also contain more than one adjective, separated by commas. For example, a muddy, frightened kitten jumped down the road. In this sentence, muddy and frightened are the adjectives. Kids, when we use more than one adjective, we always use the proper sequence in which it is placed. We have already learned about adjective sequence in great detail in the last grade. Quantity, opinion, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, purpose. For instance, a big square pink box is mine. Here, adjectives big square pink shows size, shape, and color, and they are following the proper sequence. Big square pink is an adjective phrase, as it modifies the noun box. The adjective big is size, square is a shape, and pink is a color. For instance, this is a wonderful old American clock. So, wonderful old American is an adjective phrase as it modifies the noun clock. The adjective wonderful is an opinion, old is an age, and American is an origin. For example, a brown leather purse is purchased by Mary. The phrase brown leather is an adjective phrase as it modifies the noun purse. The adjective brown is a color and leather is a material. The next example is, Smith likes that amazing big white car. In this sentence, the phrase amazing big white is an adjective phrase as it modifies the noun car. The adjective amazing is a quality, big is size, and white is a color, and they follow the sequence we have learned. So you need to remember the sequence in order to put the adjective in right sequence. Let us practice another example. The flowers smell pleasantly sweet. Here, the phrase pleasantly sweet is a predicative adjective phrase as it contains the adjective sweet as the head word and pleasantly as an intensifier, and it is placed after the noun it is modifying. It modifies the noun flowers as the phrase pleasantly sweet is describing the quality of the noun flowers. So, friends, adjective phrases are those phrases that modify a noun or a pronoun in the sentence. It may contain more than one adjective or an intensifier along with an adjective. Adjective phrases are of two types, predicative and attributive. So today we learned about adjective phrases and their appropriate sequence. Kids, now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!